Truck lovers, your ride isn't just a vehicle, it's your adventure partner. But let's be real, those seats take a beating. Whether it's mud, spills, or just everyday wear and tear, the right seat covers can protect your interior and give your truck a serious style upgrade. Today, we're counting down the best seat covers for trucks, built tough, designed smart, and ready for the road. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the HChengkikz Universal Fit Seat Covers, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and protection. These covers offer a soft, luxurious feel while being tough enough to handle spills, stains, pet hair, and even harsh sunlight. Installation is a breeze with no tools required, and once in place, they stay put, giving your truck a clean, secure look. The stitching is top-notch, the slight padding adds comfort, and the high-quality leather gives off a sleek vibe. Plus, they're super easy to clean and built to last, making them a fantastic value for the money. If you want durable, stylish protection for your truck seats, HChengkikz delivers. Coming in at number 4, we have the HAITOUR Universal Fit Seat Covers, a fantastic choice for those who want luxury without breaking the bank. These covers offer a near-perfect fit for most trucks, SUVs, and cars, instantly upgrading your interior with a sleek, leather-like finish. The plush material feels amazing, and the quality stitching adds a refined touch. Installation is quick and easy, and once in place, they stay put, giving your truck a clean, polished look. Plus, they're waterproof and super simple to clean, perfect for handling kids, pets, and everyday messes. With their high-end feel and budget-friendly price, the HAITOUR seat covers are a serious value pick. At number 3, we've got the HChengkikz Universal Fit Seat Covers, the perfect blend of comfort, style, and protection. These covers fit most trucks, SUVs, and cars, and they bring a soft, cushioned feel that makes every ride more enjoyable. Installation is a breeze, and once they're on, they stay put, offering a snug fit that looks as good as it feels. The elegant design and fluffy texture add a touch of class to your truck's interior while protecting your seats from spills, smudges, and daily wear. Cleaning is super simple, making them a practical choice for families and pet owners. High quality, durable, and absolutely worth the price, the HChengkikz covers are a game changer. Sliding into the number 2 spot, we have the NAPPA Universal Fit Seat Covers, a perfect mix of style, comfort, and protection. These full-coverage leather seat covers fit most trucks, SUVs, and cars, instantly transforming your interior while keeping your original seats safe from wear and tear. The material is soft to the touch, with a luxurious leather-like feel, and the thick cushioning adds extra comfort, even offering great lumbar support for those long drives. Installation is quick and effortless, and once they're in place, they blend so seamlessly, they look like factory seats. Plus, maintenance is a breeze, and their durability makes them worth every penny. If you're after comfort, style, and long-lasting protection, NAPPA delivers in every way. And taking the top spot on our list is the HAITOUR Universal Fit Seat Covers, a true game-changer for truck owners who want premium protection with a touch of luxury. Crafted from high-quality NAPPA leather, these covers don't just protect your seats from spills, stains, pet hair, and UV rays, they add a sleek, sophisticated vibe to your truck's interior. The fit is tight and secure, installation is a breeze, and once in place, they stay put, offering long-lasting durability. The soft, comfortable feel combined with the stylish design makes every ride a pleasure. Plus, for the quality you're getting, the price is absolutely unbeatable. If you want the best blend of comfort, protection, and style, HAITOUR is the ultimate pick.